Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. I am excited to bring you all along on this one. My parents have been down here this whole week working on their house that they're gonna be living in this winter. Them and my grandparents bought it last year and they're trying to make some improvements on it. Basically, they're just doing a little bit of demo work inside. They have another guy doing the actual work. So they are just trying to kind of prep it and get it ready for him. I don't have a lot of footage, but I'll try to insert a little bit so you kind of, you know, maybe see a little bit what they were doing. They also painted the outside of the house. It was this red color and it's wood siding. Basically, it's a Band-Aid. It's not in the best shape at all. The roof needs help, major help, but they're not gonna do that this year. And everything takes longer down here because of permits and, you know, legal stuff and whatnot. Plus it just costs money. So they thought for now they could just paint it. And my dad, since that's what he does, spraying, or he has done, he's kind of retiring from it now, but he brought his sprayer along and they painted the outside of the house. It's gonna be like a charcoal gray, and I don't know, I think it looks a lot better than it did. So I'm headed over there now, probably go stop in and see what they're doing. Today is Thursday, and I think tomorrow morning my mom and I are gonna head up to Ikea if we can. She wants some furniture for the house, and I also need to look for some things for our project house. I keep calling it the project house. I really need a name for it. We'll probably just take this truck. This is Nick's truck. But anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling. I will head on over there and I'll just kind of take you with us today and tomorrow. Oh, look how much better it looks. So the front room is looking a lot different. Mom painted it yesterday. I think it's white pepper. But this is what they're gonna do here in the house is they're actually gonna put a door here. And this is because my grandparents are gonna be staying here and my mom and dad for a couple months. And then like my sister and also my brother part of the time. But then this section where we have the door here, this can be mom and dad's section. There's a bathroom here. And then there's 2 bedrooms. So 1 bedroom here, another bedroom over here. It's kind of dark in here. So they kind of have their own quarters, you know, just privacy sometimes and stuff. So that'll be nice. I think they're getting a new door. I'm thinking maybe. Yes, bud?
A screwdriver?
I don't know. Where is a screwdriver? Do you need it?
Oh, I'll get some.
Are you trying to put the trailer on?
Yeah.
Okay. And anyway, this will be, I mean, they'll have the doors open and stuff. Obviously, there's only 1 kitchen. But then, yeah, here's the kitchen. And then grandpa's will have this section if they want. So living room. And then Mom just put this little table here for now. I think this little chair that Grandma got last year is gonna go into their bedroom back here, but kind of show you what's been going on. Can you say hey?
Hi.
They've been doing some demo stuff in here. Nick was helping yesterday a little bit with some floor and stuff. But this was all enclosed here. And so they're opening it up, and I think they're gonna move the doorway a little bit to like over here, do a pocket door. And then this is gonna be a bathroom as well as a laundry room. So the other guy that's doing it, he'll put like the whole bathroom and everything in here. And this tank will be moved like over here, I think. And then the wall will come out. They'll bump the wall out until about where this level is. It'll be enclosed. And then this will be Grandpa's bedroom in here. So this used to be a garage, I think, at one point. You can see here they took this little wall out because it's kind of like, it used to be kind of like a closet, but they just took the little bump out and now they have like more room. So they'll add a door here instead of the window. That way grandpas can go in and out if they want. Yeah, this will be bedroom, and then they have a bathroom, and that's pretty much the extent of the house. The whole house is a little bit interesting. It's had additions, like this whole room was an addition, and it's definitely not like the best job, and I don't know what'll happen in the future, but for this winter I think it'll work. So it's kind of what they're working with. Good morning. It is now Friday morning, and I'm gonna go over and pick up Mom. We just dropped Jackson off. My dad's gonna be picking him up at lunchtime, so that gives me a couple extra hours to be able to go to Tampa, to Ikea. We finally made it. My voice is still not better. It's actually worse. Anyway, had some delays, traffic, and I tell you, but we're finally here. Go see if we can find some things. I like that one. If I would get one for the project house, which one would you do? This color?
Yeah, this is the one I want. I think it looks like it wouldn't wrinkle fine.
Oh. I'm thinking of, I'm getting one for the back room close to the kitchen there. I'm thinking of maybe doing a couch and a love seat from here. Not as expensive. Mom's looking for, what are you looking for? Just what?
Yeah, that and a chair. I have them online.
What about over there? So they hope it's already done. I think maybe it's higher.
If I get it all of this kind, I'm saving a lot of money. Because this one's only $99.
Yeah.
And that's only $249. So yeah.
Well, we're not sure how big the boxes are. And we only have the truck bed, so I'm kind of thinking I might have to skip the couches for today because I'm not sure how we're gonna be able to get it all on the truck. But I mean, I know they do delivery too. I don't know, I could check into that, but we can also come up later, I guess. I'm here by the curtains, and these are the curtains that I have in my living room, and my mom had picked up another one. It says it's last chance. I don't know, does that mean they're leaving? But you guys, if you like the curtains in my living room and I'm gonna put in my dining room, they might not have them too much longer. So okay, so there's one pair. I think I'm just gonna get one pair probably. They're like this. They're kind of sheer, but they're tan with some little bit of white, kind of like a linen. On the other side?
Hey, bud.
You want to go on the other side? Okay, go around to Grandma.
You knew how I knew which bus to get on when I got off?
How?
Because I looked out the window and I saw like the truck. I was like,
Oh, you saw the truck.
"Where's that truck?"
Put Caden on the bus to come home. I don't usually do that. We're not at Ikea anymore, by the way. Kind of failed in the vlogging department, but I saw I was going to be probably running late, so I sent him home on the bus, and we just picked him up now. So it's like 3:40, and we're going to head over to the house and unload the furniture. And I don't know if you're going to start putting stuff together right away.
For sure.
Mom should do the talking now because my voice is getting worse. So, yeah.
Thanks.
No thanks.
I hate to hear myself talk.
Mom doesn't really like to talk on camera. Anyway, all right. Bud, how was your day?
Pretty good.
Pretty good? Okay, gotta strap yourself. Hello. Did you miss me? It is a serious box. You're right. Is it your house or what?
Nope.
No? Fish do you do to him? You're removing tile.
Yeah.
Why?
Well, the old walls were on top of the, or here where these tiles are cut out.
Yeah.
And so we took out some tile over there to fill in here.
Oh, okay.
That goes out.
Okay, but
They were all notched.
oh, okay.
and,
Yeah.
So we need big pieces to fill in.
Okay. Very dusty work.
Yeah. So over there's where the closet comes, so we don't need the tile there. So
Okay. Wow. Tedious. Look at Caden's school picture. Isn't that cute? Okay, so we got the couch set up. She still has a chair and an ottoman. And I'm thinking about getting some of these for Lamar's house, but the other thing I didn't tell you guys is the table I got in that video, remember? It's not gonna work. I'm so sad. I put it like on top of what the flooring they have, and if you remember, I kind of forgot like how dark it is and how gray the flooring is in comparison to the table. The table was like really kind of more of a reddish, what's acacia wood. I love the table, but it just like screams. I know I put a rug underneath it, but I was like, I just don't think it's gonna work. So my friend Hannah's actually buying it, so it works out. She likes the table, and they're just moving up actually tonight. We're gonna help them a little bit tonight yet, but so that was a bummer, so now I need to start over with the table. But I think I may have found one at Ikea today. I just didn't buy any of that stuff because we didn't have room for it, but I have to kind of shift gears again. But that's kind of, I guess, what goes with picking out things. Sometimes it just doesn't work. Mom got this throw at Ikea, and she also got the blue dishes over here. Those. Pretty good.
Yeah, I like it. About where I
Yeah, it actually sits really good too.
It would have been too big, it would have overwhelmed the room.
Yeah. So I only got a couple things at Ikea for myself. I got one of these matte black, kind of like a charger, I guess. And the other thing I got at Ikea were 2 posters. I think they were like $8 or $9. So that's one of them. And then here's the other one. I'm not sure yet if I'm going to use both of them or even any of them, but I'm wanting to switch out my shelves over there for like a little bit more of a winter feel, or my shelf over there. So I thought this might work for my biggest frame. I'll have to see once, but. And then, like I said, these curtains, I'll put these in the dining room. And then I got 3 of these little spice rack shelves. I'm thinking of using in the nursery maybe for books. So I got 3 of those packs, and I think they were only a couple dollars each because they were on sale. So I'm gonna quit talking to you guys in this awful croaky voice. Maybe the next time you hear me, I'll sound better, hopefully. If you're curious as to why my voice is still like this is day number 4, I think. I mean, I'm not like sick. It's just kind of like a laryngitis or something. And the 2 videos I did were like the day after each other. So this one just isn't going up, you know, for a couple days after my last video that I did for you, the Christmas decor haul. So that's why I'm still sounding like this. So I'm sorry. If you put up with my croaking all day long, go you. That means you're loyal. Thank you. But anyway, hopefully I'll get better soon. It's getting kind of annoying. I feel like all the aches and pains are kind of like setting in right now with pregnancy, but hopefully I can push through the last 2 months. So anyway, I am heading over to Eric and Hannah's place and see if I can at least be there for moral support or maybe do something. I'm not sure yet. The guys are unloading things and whatever, but I'm so excited to have them close by now. And yeah, it's Friday night, so Mom and Dad are going home tomorrow and stuff. So yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog. I hope you all enjoy tagging along, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.